your eye on Enid to your left-hand side. First form in 1964 with our first form display in 1965. We were actually formed from three distinctive display teams around at the time. The Red Pelicans, the Black Arrows and the Yellow Jacks. We took the red from the Red Pelicans, the arrows from the Black Arrows to give us our name, and we took the aircraft from the Yellow Jacks. And in tribute to that aircraft, Enid from the right, flying the Gnat.
That was the first plane ever. Before the bed. The Gnat.
He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot, former Typhoon pilot, as he lines up with Enid in the distance to fly the Goose. Red 9 climbing high with the red, white and blue in the base course. Red 1 brings the Enid, smoking their red, white and blue onto our right hand side. Disappear to the left, look directly to your front, you'll see the synchro pair running in 6, followed by 7. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready. This is the one you do not want to miss. The smoke comes on for the world famous synchro heart. Coming in from the top right hand side is Red 8 as he spears the heart. Red 8 is flight 10, Rich Walker, former Harriet pilot, former Typhoon pilot. Let's give 6, 7, 8, massive round of applause for the heart in the sky.
It's gone already.
Keep your eye on round 6 and 7, 7 off to our left hand side, 6 off to our right hand side. Once again, they'll guide down to very 100 feet, up close to 900 miles an hour. Passenger over there, 100 feet, they'll go unsighted. Very to the right, reaching a height of over 5,500 feet. Once again, get your cameras ready for the Vixen vertical break.
Oh, no, can't see it.
Each aircraft will perform a 363 aileron roll. Out to sea, so for safety they can actually roll and they didn't pull up. However, the show will continue. It's got what you need to go. As you can imagine, safety is absolutely paramount. Birds have a tendency to get in the way of things. And anyone that's seen any fast jet flying in 2022 at Creel, you'll have seen Red 6 hit a bird and it completely shattered his canopy. So of course, what we do for safety is they'll make sure that if they see any birds, they'll kind of roll, they'll elevate the show, and just make sure that they don't get in the way of any birds. However, from the right, you'll see Enid climbing up with the white smoke in. The red smoke comes on, the blue smoke comes on, as Red 1 flies a barrel roll in the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in the first half of the manoeuvre called the Serpent. You can see it's smoking our famous red, white and blue. That smoke is only capable due to the smoke pod underneath the bottom of the aeroplane. It's like a small fuel tank underneath the belly. That fuel tank smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 4 minutes of red smoke and 4 minutes of blue smoke. Each of the smoke pods has its own individual button on the part of the control pod. And if you do press red and blue together, you will get purple smoke. During winter or smoke climb, we make sure we have the right smoke at the right time in the display and we do not run out. You'll see now Reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 moved up alongside Red 1. The smoke comes on as in tango formation to complete the coil of the Serpent. And from the left, 6 rolls inverted. Now Red 6 inverted starts to push. As he starts to push, now begins a roll. He's doing an inverted barrel roll. We've all experienced positive G-force on roller coasters. Red 6 is now experiencing negative G-force. That means all the blood is rushing to his head. He's working extremely hard against that negative 3G. Making sure that he remains conscious while Red 7, 8 and 9 hold on to his wing to complete the mirror roll, which is completed by 8 and 9 performing a rollback. As Hannah leaves to our right hand side, look to your left hand side, once more from Ian bringing over like the Western in the distance.
Oh, it says
2 and 3 roll goes, 2 and 3 roll to the outside. Clear goes, goes 4 and 5 roll to the outside. One of the hardest maneuvers all on the pilots to master each year. This is rollbacks. think that we leave the team in a better place from where we found it. Look directly to your front, you see red 6, 7, 8, 9 now lining up directly to our front. And as I said, 2024 is our diamond display season, our 60th display season, so keep an eye on red 8, here we're smoking blue. Keep an eye on red 9, here we're smoking red, as they fly and manoeuvre in the sky, leaving a wonderful 60 in the sky to celebrate 60 display seasons by the Red Arrows. Once again, that 100 feet, that close to being about 800 miles per hour. And they'll perform their final manoeuvre of the show. This is the colourful and dynamic synchro double run. The smoke is on for the fixing break. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Blackpool, please put your hands together for the 2024 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's the along the display line to close the Blackpool Air Show. So don't go anywhere, get your cameras ready for one final flight past by the Red Arrows. If you'd like any more information about the Reds, you can find us all across social media. We're on Facebook at RF Red Arrows, Instagram RF Red Arrows, with all the pilots having their own individual accounts on Instagram. Find me at RF Red 10 and you'll find the rest of the pilots. If you have any more pictures or videos, please hashtag Red Arrows, share them, we'll pick them up and we'll share them across social media.
If it's like person to rock up to so painted on.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, once again from the right, the 2024 Royal Air Force Aerobatic